Well, definitely my father will be buried. Alright, and not just buried, he will be given a befitting burial. But that will be after my marriage. Yeah, after my marriage ceremony then. I'll give my father a befitting burial.
Things are not done that way. You must bury our king.
What do you mean things are not done that way? Was he your father? He was my father. You don't tell me how to run my life. I just said something now. My father will be buried after my marriage ceremony.
Wrong.
Why?
Wrong. Look, he was the father to the great people of this kingdom.
Okay.
Before he became your father.
Yes, and so?
Therefore, we have every right to contribute to his burial arrangement. So, we therefore implore you to please do the needful. And if you don't do it, we will not follow you to your in-laws' place.
Who cares? Do I look like I care? If you don't want to follow me, then you go to hell. I go out there and hire elders to go marry my woman.
My elders. My elders, I greet you. Obinna here cannot marry another woman except my maid, Ego, who he met and got pregnant.
What? My friend, sit down! Obinna.
What did you say now?
You heard me.
You mean you a maid? Ha!
Are you serious now?
My friend, just quiet. Ego. Are you saying that you are pregnant as a result of his raping you?
You stop asking her a stupid question.
Don't yakwa.
Hey! Did I say I raped you? You must be very stupid. Thunder will fire you. Don't tell me you people believe this nonsense you just said. Me, this thing, me.
Yes, you did, my dear son.
What?
You did. No thunder. Never. You did.
What?
She has told me everything.
And you believed her?
The CCTV captured everything. And you're going to marry her. You know the circumstances, right?
What are you saying, mother?
Obinna. Obinna. You are not getting married to any other woman except this one that you met and got pregnant. So if you love yourself, go to her people and perform her marriage rites after the burial of her king. Choose you. Una.
What are you saying? Oh no, listen, I don't know what you people are talking about. Oh no. I do not know.
One more step. I will blow your brains off. Do you really want me to swear before Urasi? I am your wife. You should learn to trust me and believe me. All right.
I once cheated on you. But Prince Obinna is not the result. You are the father of Prince Obinna. Believe me.
So you looked me in the face and you think I'm an idiot? You must swear. It's final.
Why are you doing this? Why do you want me to swear? When you had Brenda with another woman, did I ask you to swear? Why are you being wicked?
Get out. I said get out.
She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. Oh yeah, and you have no shame. Bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking.
This is not happening. This is not happening. No.
Mother, what is it?
I am not your mother.
What is wrong with her?
What is it? What?
He has found out.
Who has found out what?
My husband. He has found out that Prince Obinna is not his son. He did not father him. He's not the father of Prince Obinna.
How did you know?
He just came back from a meeting and told me that he knew it a day after Obinna was born. I'm done. I'm done like...
Did he mention my name?
He did not mention any name.
What? How is this possible? Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. This is disgusting.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something you must always have at the back of your mind. Never you trust anyone. Human beings can be erratic and ungrateful.
So, what are you going to do now?
I am the custodian of the culture. I will allow the gods to do justice. I will never keep quiet in the face of abomination. Not now. Not anytime. Never.
Why is this happening now? Why now? Why is it happening this time? Like, now that Arinze is coming with his people. Why now?
She's a bad woman, looking around. Look what you've done. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Don't you have no shame?
Just calm down. Calm down. We can still handle this. Yes.
How can we handle this when I am going to die very soon? He said I must swear before Urasi.
Urasi?
Yes.
Hey. That is very serious. You know what? We can still do something to cover it up. Yes. Yes. You are his wife, are you not?
Yes.
So, you can still prepare his last meal. Yes, his last meal.
You.
You're looking more beautiful every day.
Thank you. And I must say, Abuja looks great on you.
You're just surviving, sister. What will I do?
You're welcome.
Surviving.
You're welcome.
So how is everything? How is everybody?
Everything is good. So, what did you bring for your sis?
Definitely I got something for you.
I know.
But let me see mom first. I'm coming back.
All right.
Look at you. Oh my God.
All right, I'm waiting for my gift.
Some abominations should not be ignored. I am ready to see her suffer for her sins. I am pissed off.
But Igwe, how come we've not noticed this all these years? Huh? Even the gods didn't give us any sign.
What happened for a purpose. Go and tell us to prepare for the swearing in on a Kemakit day.
It's all right. I will do that.
Nobody should hear about this, at least for now.
Of course. I'll take my leave, Igwe.
All I need you to do is to make sure that when I die, you will lead my people with great wisdom.
Well, you have nothing to worry about, Father. For I'll do just that. So, how about the other plans?
Father wants this stranger to take over the throne.
Father, who the hell is he?
I couldn't recollect inviting the both of you here.
You must tell us who this boy is, or we will shred him here and now.
I repeat, nobody invited the both of you here. I'm just having a word with my son.
Your son? Mr. Man, get up and leave. I said you should leave!
My friend, don't you ever talk to me like that again. Ever!
And who the hell are you? Who the hell are you?
Hey. Yeah. Say, get out. Give me that.
Give me that!
Rubbish. Let's go. It's not over.
So, Father, back to our discussion.
What a dream. How did I sleep this long without moving?
My queen, I can swear that all is not well with you. You look so downcast. Tell me, what is the matter? You can share with me, and I will always provide you with good advice. I don't think it's something you can help me with. But I need help. I need to save my marriage. I need to save my face. I need help. My queen, is the king the reason for your sadness? Does he want to take another wife? Is he seeing another woman? Just talk to me. Oma, can you help me? If you don't, I will die in a few days. God forbid! You will not die. Nothing will happen to you. Just tell me, what can I do to help? Tell me, I will do it. Sure, I promise. Sit. What? What? My queen. Yes. This money can do you a whole lot. And I am going to promote you to my personal aide. Just help me. Save my life, save my marriage. Just save my face, I beg you. See, just call me whenever you need anything and I'll make sure you have it. Just save me, please. Please.
What is it?
Good morning, Your Highness. Tea. I brought you tea, Your Highness. I noticed you didn't eat last night, so I decided to bring tea for you this morning, Your Highness.
Thank you. You can go.
Okay, Your Highness.
He will be with you, sir. Okay. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you. How are you doing?
Good morning, Your Highness.
Long live the king.
There is a situation in the palace that I must deal with first, before this.
Your Highness, are you asking us to go home and come back again?
Papa, calm down, yeah? Your Highness, when do we come back again?
The question is not when we shall come back again. The question is, why is he treating us like outcasts? Your Highness, why are you treating us like outcasts?
Get out. Don't ask me stupid questions.
Dad.
Papa, calm down, please.
Son,
Please.
let's go.
Dad.
Calm down, please. She's going to talk to her father, please. Calm down a little while.
Excuse me. One, are you asking me to calm down in the face of such insolence on my person?
Okay.
Two, who is she going to talk to?
Okay.
Who is he?
Papa, please. Just give me 1 minute. Let me talk to my father. Please, just 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Let's get out of here. Let's go.
Please calm down. She's going to talk to her father. Please sit down and wait, please.
Who is she going to talk to? Listen, if you want to wait, you can sit down and wait. Look at you.
Papa.
I will not wait for him to come back and insult me again.
Papa, come.
No, please.
It has not got into this. Eh?
Dad, why are you doing this? If you don't want him to marry me, let me know. You have done this for 3 months now. Dad, do you know how it feels to be rejected? If I'm the one they are doing this to as a father, how will you feel, Dad?
No, listen and listen good. I don't want to get angry with you now.
Dad, this is not fair. This is not fair at all. For how long do I have to wait before you decide when I will get married? For crying out loud, Dad, I am not getting any younger.
What more want from you?
I sing it,
This should not happen. This will be terrible. Jesus here. Please. Please stop sounding like this. Okay? Let this not be what I saw in my dream. Look, can you forget about your dreams? I said stop sounding like this. We are concerned about our king. Doctor, please, how is the situation of our king? Can I speak with someone in my office?
Yes, let me go.
Please. Doctor, please. Tell us what you have to say here. Please. You see, his kidney is badly affected. And we need to fly him abroad immediately because he's not responding to treatment.
No, doctor, now. It has not gotten to the extent of flying him abroad. You can do something. Do some magic. Eh? See, if it's money, I will pay you double. Just mention your price. He has to survive. He has to survive somehow. Please.
Okay. I'll try my best. See what I can do.
Ichie Uzozie, please, I need to leave. Let me go and get him some fruit juice. I'll be back. Just in a jiffy. In a jiffy.
Okay. Is this woman?
Please, Ichie Uzozie, let us not discuss our issue here now, okay? You understand me?
This is the third time he's asking us to go home and come back again. We are from a reputable family. We don't beg people to marry us.
Honey, please. Maybe something was bothering him, that's why. Please.
Hey, whatever it is that was bothering him should not make him look down on us. Listen, marriage is not a do or die affair. We will go and get a young girl from a noble family who will accept us for who we are.
No.
Listen, my son is well to do. He's also educated. Don't talk with us.
Papa, please. It has not gotten to that. We can work things out. I love your son. He loves me too. We love each other. Please, I believe we can work things out, please.
But what I just said, we are no longer interested. Listen, if you see us at that palace again, cut off our legs. No, I've told you.
Papa, please. Please, I beg you. It will happen again. Honey, please say something. Begging for me. Please say something. Please, remember the promise you made to me. You promised not to leave me. Please, please, I beg you. Please. Arinze. Papa, please.
Go home. We shall not be used as objects of ridicule. This is a highly reputable family. You heard me?
My queen.
Oh no.
Our people have a saying that what has not been seen on earth has not been created by God.
Oh no, where is my husband?
My queen, you have to get a hold of yourself. I'm sorry, our king has gone to join his ancestors.
Hey! Oh no! Hey!
Please, take this. And please, no one should hear about this. Yes? No one. Until Prince Obina returns.
Husband! My husband is dead. Huh? Brenda has killed her father. She has killed her father.
You should not accuse anyone here yet. Please.
She is the cause. Oh no, she is the cause. If she did not bring that wretched man here, the father wouldn't have shouted. Not to talk of having a heart attack. She caused it, oh! She caused it. He died of heart attack. I can swear to that.
Swearing is for those who certainly must swear. Ichuzuzi, we have to leave now. No problem. My queen, please take it easy.
Oh no. Which mortuary did you deposit his body? Where did you deposit his body? At least let me see him. Let me see my beloved husband. He was my husband. We loved each other before he passed on. I need to see him. Oh no, please, love. I am human. Pick up belly in my belly. I want to see.
My queen, we have to carry out some rituals before we can allow anyone to see his body.
Rituals?
So just take it, yeah? We have to go.
I said I should not shout.
Oti, no. Nobody, I repeat, nobody should hear about what happened. Not even your second ear. Do you understand me?
Oh no, I'm not a child.
It's not a question of you not being a child. This is a secret, and that secret must be kept. Is that understood?
Yes or no, I know what to do.
Good. Iche, let's go.
I got this, baby. Oh, hey. Oh my. It worked so fast.
Did you see the look on Ichie Uzese's face? He looks like someone who has bottled up something.
As if I care. Before they start suspecting anything, my son is already king.
But my queen, we just added a little bit of it. Just very little of it.
And it worked. It worked so fast. Maybe because he ate the pepper soup. The fish pepper soup I left in the dining.
The fish pepper soup?
Yes, the fish pepper soup. Oh dear boy. Hey.
No, my queen. He did not eat the fish pepper soup.
Then who did?
My prince?
Oma, please.
allow me to eat this fish in peace.
Okay, I'm gonna wait here.
You're gonna wait where? Where do you want to wait?
Fine. I'll wait in my room.
Mama, please. I don't want my father to find out who I've been doing this.
And your father is not going to find out. Baby, since the last time you touched me, I've not stopped thinking about you. I crave for your touch every minute. Honey, I want you every time, every day.
Alright, I've heard you. Just go to your room. I'll be with you shortly. Okay. Go, I'm coming. Yes?
I'll be waiting.
Wow! Prince a chicken. What? What? He ate the fish. Wait, wait. Oh! My son! Ah!
Mom, what is it?
Get up. Get up. We're going to the hospital.
Which hospital? Is that alright?
We are going to the hospital immediately.
Mom, I'm not going anywhere until you tell me what is going on.
Young man, I am not in the right state of mind to argue. Just follow me to the hospital right now. Get up. Come on, drag him. Get up.
She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done.
Let's go to the hospital.
Mom, what is going on?
Let's go to the hospital. Auntie! 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 Get the khaki! Hey!
The khaki!
Come on!
On your belly, they go down for a time. I want my donate. Can you come here? I'm going to come here. I don't want you. I don't want you. We're walking. I jump mad,
Help! 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 Hey, please, come and help me. Help! 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 Somebody please help me! Help! Ma, please wake up. I don't know how to carry you. Wake up. Is anyone there? Please help me. Please. Hey, help! Please help me.
bad woman. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Oh yeah. Don't you have no shame?
How is my son? Doctor, how is the prince? Just talk to us, please.
I'm sorry. We lost him.
You what?
It's like Dikeh.
How could you make such a terrible mistake? How could you?
I feel like killing myself right now.
I am shattered. I am totally shattered. This is your worst mistake. How could you?
I wanted to cover our evil deed.
And you ended up killing my son. You ended up killing my son, Asa. I warned you. I told you to be careful. I told you to be careful, Asa.
I was. It was a mistake. I was.
No, you were not careful.
Please don't leave me.
You were not careful.
I need you now, please. He was my baby. He was my everything.
Dikeh dead?
Honestly, my heart is heavy. Very heavy.
Oh. Oh. What happened?
Your brother was poisoned. Maybe someone poisoned him in Abuja before he came back. I am really shattered. Your brother is gone. My baby is gone. I need you back. Please, I want you to come back home. Mommy needs you.
Mom, just stop, okay? Stop crying. I'll be back soon, alright?
Thank you.
Be strong. Be strong, okay?
It's alright.
No.
Excuse us for a moment.
What are you eating?
My princess, please, can I say something?
Yes, what is it?
My princess, I don't think the palace is safe for you, considering what happened.
You have a point, Oti. But God is with me. He will not allow anything happen to me.
I know, my princess, but my father has a saying that being cautious is not a sign of cowardice.
You are right, but the queen is too small to take my life. Or are you saying that the queen is bigger than God?
No, my princess. The queen can never be bigger than God.
Then take me home.
All right, my princess.
My queen, it's okay. It's okay.
Oma. What is going on?
You. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
Forgive me for what? What did I do?
You have killed your father. You caused the death of your father. He had a heart attack because of you. Hey. Because of you. You.
Wait. Let me get this clear. Are you saying that my father is dead?
Hey.
My father dead? Oti, is this true? Talk to me, Oti! Is this true? My father is dead! And you didn't tell me! You didn't tell me! No!
I am going to make this house miserable for you to stay. I will so deal with you that you will wish that you were never born in this family.
Why did you tell me? Why did you tell me that my parents?
She has made me a widow.
No!
She has made me a widow.
No!
I don't want you to get sick, please, it's okay. I'll be a mama. She has made me a widow. You have made me a widow. Just let her go. I will make this house miserable.
No! Take me out of here! Take me to my room! My room!
my God. I've wasted my tears. My beautiful tears.
I need chicken pepper soup.
I'll make it right away.
Blend beetroot.
Okay.
Red apple and
Okay.
what again? And carrot for me, please.
I will get it for you.
Relax my nerves.
Relax. Let me go and make it.
Be quick.
Princess, it looked like it was poisoned.
Poisoned? By who?
I don't know. Even Achike died that same day of a suspected complication.
What? Achike is dead? Oh my God.
Excuse me.
My queen, I am sure you are not conversant with the position of our tradition in respect of the escort required for our late king. We require 7 virgins to escort him to the land of our ancestors. Yeah.
Oh no.
Yes.
It chills us here.
My queen.
Is this not what we're supposed to discuss inside?
Oh yes. I know that.
Then let's go.
No, but as you can see, I have excused the guards. So none of them is here to hear us.
It's all right. Well, if that is what the tradition demands, who am I to stop it? I will do everything possible to make sure his burial is a success. He was my husband. He was my king.
Thank you for your understanding, my queen.
Thank you. My pleasure.
On that note, we will bring the girls here for you to watch over them. What I'm saying in effect is that we will bring them here as maidens, unknowing to them that we have an ulterior motive.
Really?
That's it.
Well, when am I expecting them?
My queen, it will be any time within the week. That's because we have to complete the payment to the man who is going to arrange to bring them.
Yes.
Okay, so is this something I can aid with?
No, we've already arranged for that. I'll take care of it.
Yes.
All right then, I'll be waiting.
Good. I must say that we appreciate your understanding. So, Iche,
yes,
I think we have to take our leave now.
Yes, my queen.
Okay.
Thanks.
And you said you don't want to take anything?
For now, we are fine, my queen. Yes.
Not even water?
Oh, maybe when next we come, we'll take something. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
No.
These are the girls that we discussed about. We've brought them. They are here now.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
Oh no.
Yes, my queen.
May I see you in private?
Of course.
Here they are.
They are the new maids. Take them to your room and give them something to eat.
All right, my queen. Ladies, this way, please.
Wait. You.
My queen.
I want you to be in charge of Princess Brenda's affairs.
Yes, my queen.
And you? What is your name?
My name is Noma.
You'll be in charge of laundry.
All right, my queen.
I don't want you to have anything to do with the male servants, as tradition demands.
All right, my queen.
This way, please.
My name is Yego.
Help! 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 Hey, please, I want you to come and help me. Help! 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 Somebody please help me!
Ask again. Would you want to ask me anything?
Not at all, ma'am. Nothing.
Sit. Do you want to tell me anything?
Thank you.
Well, how about your sister?
She's inside. She's dressing up.
Just let her know I'm here.
Why don't you come inside? You can't stand here.
I'm fine. Just let her know.
Where is my daughter? Where's my beautiful daughter? You are here?
Yes, Father.
My daughter. You be smiling, admiring yourself at the mirror.
Yes, Father. That is because my love is coming back.
Yes, I know. But put it this way. The queen is going to see the king. And the long-awaited day is here.
My father has his ways with words. He mixes words like oil and boiled yam.
And my daughter is the most beautiful woman in the 7 clans of Imo.
Aww. Thank you, Father. Thank you.
My daughter.
Yes, Father.
When you get there, use your head. Don't be too forward and don't be too withdrawn. Future queens have a way of carrying the shoulders.
Father, you are so full of wisdom.
Good luck, daughter. Go and win.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much, Father.
I'll be inside, yeah?
Okay, fine.
It's okay.
Hello, Gucci.
How did you find my video?
Well, I just said hello. By the way, how are you doing?
I cannot remember inviting you to my father's house. And I do not want you to ruin this beautiful day for me. So you know what? Get to pass with you and leave.
You don't have to be this harsh to me. Listen, can I at least talk to you?
No. I said no. And I do not want to have anything to do with the past. So please leave. Excuse me. I'm sorry about that. Please, you just have to calm down. I'll talk to her. I'm so sorry.
Thank you very much for that.
Very beautiful.
I believe you know what today is. I do not want you to step out of this place unless I say so. Mom, don't you think all this should stop today? I mean, today is a day of Mary. This doesn't make sense anymore. Did you hear what I said? Do not step out of this place until I say so. And you don't tell me what is right, what makes sense and what doesn't in this house.
I am now a slave in my own house.
House? Well, very soon we'll get to know who truly belongs here and who doesn't. Let me continue.
No. Go.
What is wrong with your car again?
Must you use the word again just to remind me that my car keeps breaking down?
Hey, come on. You don't need to be harsh. I was just trying to show concern.
And I can't remember asking for your help. I can fix my car.
Come on, I know you can fix this car. You know what? Let me just drop you off wherever you're going to.
Mister, can you please leave? Like, shift.
What about getting you a new car? I don't think you can get anyone from there. We have bad receptions here. In the middle of nowhere.
Can you just leave me alone? Leave me alone!
Very well, I'll let you be until whosoever is coming to fix the car comes. I'll be right here. Huh? Bad reception, I told you.
Did I say something wrong?
Okay then, I will just be told. Is he here? I'll just wait, like I said. Very. Why don't I just drop you off? Okay? Let me take care of this from here. I promise you I'll do a good job. Okay? How does this work? There you are. So, to the car. Please. Okay. This is getting kind of interesting, don't you think so? I hope no lion comes out from anywhere to eat us up. Don't worry, I'll protect you.
My prince, you're welcome. Welcome, my prince. Look at the way you're looking fresh. You're welcome, my prince. Who's out here? Onoche, you should come now. Our prince is back. My prince, how are you? How is America? Look at your body. What is this one? What is the name? You go before. Anyway, you are welcome, my friend. Where are they now? Who's those here? Onoche! Where? Come, our prince is here!
Where's father?
My prince, why don't we first go inside? You know you traveled a very long distance to this place.
Well, I know. That's the main reason I want to see my father.
Son, can we go inside, please? Yes, please, after.
Father? Where's father?
My prince, we would rather sit down and tell us how you've done it.
Exactly. So, how is America?
Mom, where's father?
How is everything? And how was your study?
Son, the dining is set. Shall we?
What are you saying? I don't want to eat. I just want to see my father. Where is he?
Why didn't you just eat first?
I know, but I don't feel like eating anything now. I just want to see him. You know what? Let me quickly see him in the bedroom. I'll be right back. Good, right? All right, see you later. Oh no. When did he die?
It's over a month now. My prince, you really need to be strong.
Tell everyone to go.
But my prince.
Tell everyone to leave this palace now. Now!
It's okay. I will do that.
Excuse me. Son, you have to take heart.
How could you hide such a thing from me?
It was the idea of the royal cabinet.
So, celebrating my homecoming is more important than father's corpse lying in the mortuary?
That was the only way to calm the situation. I'm sorry.
What happened to him?
Brenda. Princess Brenda set him up. She set my husband up.
Princess Brenda set father up. How?
Is it not better she tell you herself? Up until now, she has refused to show remorse. She just killed my husband. She made me a widow. She swept the carpet off my feet. You know how much I loved your father. I am nothing without him. She has just ended my... Obi. Oh, Obi! Obi, calm down! Oh my world!
You're back. Welcome.
What did you do to father? Start talking. Don't even try to lie to me.
My brother, if you can sit down, I will tell you how it all happened. For the meantime, here is not safe for you. Those elders are not happy that you are alive. So you need to leave, please.
I ask again. What did you do to father?
Obi, you know me. I am not capable of having... This is the foundation of royalty. I got it. That's what Dikeh.
Come back for you! Murderer!
It's okay. Please, I beg you in the name of God. My son.
What are you still doing here? I thought I asked you to leave.
Sister, can you please calm down?
Oh, please shut up.
Just calm down and hear him out. I'll keep talking to her and I hope someday she listens to me.
It's alright. It's alright. Who's that?
I don't
know. Gochi. Gochi, please, I know you're in there.
So you're a beast. You treat your sister like an animal, yet you profess love to me? Huh. You will never make a good king.
At least ask me what she did.
So, what did she do?
My mother said she caused the death of my father.
So, how did she cause your father's death?
I was told that she went all the way.
You cannot talk. I said it. I said it that you can never make a good king. Do you remember when we were about leaving for America? I once told you that you're so full of arrogance. I was not wrong after all.
Oh, come on, girl. What would you have me do? Do you expect me to applaud her for killing our father?
Oh, please just stop it. Stop it. See, listen to me. I am done. I don't want to have anything to do with you ever again.
You shouldn't be quick to...
Excuse me.
Hey. Oh yeah, you had a young lady. She's done. So advise you pick your ring and you dash out.
Who the hell are you? Do you know who I am?
Are you mad? What? You out of your mind? How dare you? How dare you help me? You mad? You mad? How dare you? You dare to stop me? Do you know who I am? Are you mad?
Get out of here, the both of you.
Get out!
Thank you, sir.
I said get out. My prince, is it painful? Ouch! My prince, is it painful? Get him! Get him! Where, get that fool! Where is he? Where? Hey, my prince, is it paining you? Oh, shit. Get that fool! My prince, where is he? Where is he? My prince! My prince!
Again, what is it? Why can't you just leave me alone? You think I enjoy all this drama? Listen, I only give ears to men who respect my decisions.
What exactly are your decisions, my lady?
Give me some space. Give me peace.
Why do you hate me this much? No, tell me. Because ever since our university days, I have been trying to make things work.
Can you just give up already? Can you? Whatever happened in our university days should be left there. And what makes you think I have feelings for you?
Give me a chance to prove to you that I'm the man you can trust. All I need is one chance.
And you think you know my kind of man?
Well, if you must know, I'm not going anywhere until you give me a positive answer. Right here. So, take your time. Think about whatever
I'm here. I'm waiting. Just take your time.
Someday. So why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Bad woman, bad.
Hi, sweetie. How are you?
I'm good.
You're looking cute.
You too. Look so beautiful. Come on.
Thank you.
Sit down, baby. Sit down, baby. Oh. The queen herself. Wow. I heard my son is back.
Mike, stop. Stop calling him that so that you don't make the mistake of calling him that outside. You need to be careful.
But he is my son.
Nobody is disputing that. Just be careful, that's all. And that is not why we're here, is it?
When are they going to crown him king?
The king is yet to be buried. I will get him married 1 week after the funeral. Are you okay?
That's cool. That's cool by me. I can't wait to see my son, my blood, become the king of Anapa. My own blood. You don't know how it feels, baby.
Mike, I just hope there's no curse ahead of us.
Curse? Are you scared?
I am human who has committed an abomination, so I am bound to be scared of the implications.
Come on, baby. There are no implications. Nothing. Okay? It's all superstition. It's all in your mind. Yes. Might is right. Might is right. Definitely. Come on, take that out of your mind. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh, mweze anaye metenya nike ocheze anaya wataya namba ogo namba okwanyororo no wanyaka gabwe isika pwese no wanyaka gabwe wayo wadi kwegu kai were wayo ito wana kakwanga ngono.
She's not at home.
Did she tell you where she was going to?
She did not tell me where she was going to. Any problem?
See, girl, I know she's inside, alright? Can you please help me talk to her?
What do I tell her?
I need her to hear my own side of the story.
You see, I don't want to get involved. You two are adults, and I believe you both can sort out things. Or better still, end the so-called relationship.
Are you not? Did you call our relationship a so-called?
Prince Obi, you're very, very arrogant. And I don't need to remind you that this is my father's house, and you don't have any right to talk to me anyhow.
Did you just talk to me like that?
I am not Princess Brenda.
One more word from you, I will slap the living daylight out of your eye. Are you mad?
My sister made the greatest mistake of her life, wasting time with you.
Ote, did you just hear this girl?
Very loud and clear, my prince. Loud, very loud and clear.
Loud and clear.
Very, very loud.
You did nothing.
Can I go and beat?
My friend, come and take me out of here.
Are you want me to go, sir? Okay.
My guy.
The throne is never for free, but the crown is neither for sale. The mystery goes beyond what your eyes can see. The price is higher than what your mind can save. Anayemete yanike, anayemete yanike nuwe. Ocheze, anayapata yanamba, anayapata yanamba. Wanya wanya.
I've been working very hard to be a man.
What do you do now?
Well, I'm in charge of road construction in the southeast. And my father is the CEO of Perizol Oil.
Perizol Oil?
Yes.
But I was told the owner of Perizol Oil is a king.
Well, you see, my father is a king in his own ways. And my father has lots of secrets. I think I'm taking after my father in that.
Oh. I see. So, I'll be going to India next month for a course. But before then, I'd like you to come see my father so he can bless us.
So you can bless us?
Yes. I must say, you are a very patient man.
Well, for a man to be in my position, he has to be very patient.
And what is the position?
Oh, don't worry. Very soon you will find out. Smile for me, baby. You see the way you're smiling now, huh?
Under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others are living in paradise.
Welcome. You're welcome. Where is Oma? My queen. She went out. She said she was going to see her mother. Where is my son? Upstairs. Has he eaten? My queen, I don't know.
Excuse me? You don't know? What is your duty in this house?
I'm sorry, my queen. But you said I should only take care of the laundry. Where is Ego? She's with the princess in her room. Call her for me. Alright, my queen.
What is it? What happened to you? Did my brother beat you? Listen, I will get angry with you if you don't tell me what the problem is.
Sorry.
What are you sorry about? What is it?
So why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. Have no shame, no shame. Look what you've done. Oh yeah, she's a bad woman, sneaking around.
Who's that?
Look what you've done. See
Come
what
in.
you've caused. Bad people, bad human, they're sneaking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? I don't understand the reason why people kill people.
Are you alright? I heard you groaning in pain.
Yeah. Machine hurts.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry about that. Can I get some ointment and massage it?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Alright.
Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Don't you have no shame? No shame.
Come in.
My queen, you sent for me.
Where is Ego?
My queen, she has been crying since the time you left.
Has my son eaten dinner?
My queen,
Where is Oma?
She... My queen, I don't know where she is.
Look for her and tell her that I want to see her.
Oh, Dad, you're here. The maid said you did not take your dinner.
Did you go to the palace today?
Yes, I did.
Did you see Princess Brenda?
No, I didn't go inside.
Stop going there.
Father, what could be your reason?
I'll tell you when the time is due.
Okay, Dad, can we go inside and have our dinner?
I'm not hungry. Where is your brother?
I don't know. I think he went out.
I heard Prince Obinna came back.
Father, can we not talk about that illegitimate son? I don't want to remember what the mother did to you. Please, can we go inside and eat?
I will show you later.
Okay, Dad, I'll be waiting.
For how long have you been standing there?
So, Oma, you finally gotten what you wanted, right? And you have the mind to stay in there till this hour.
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you saying?
I saw everything. I mean, I even had everything. You've been in there since evening. Gosh.
You don't have to be too surprised. I told you, didn't I? I told you I was going to have him. And I did.
Oh, please. The queen wants to see you.
You know, there are some stones that must be left unturned. But some should definitely be turned.
My queen, if you think that I would let anyone know about what happened to the king, then you're making a very big mistake.
Oma.
My queen.
You think I should trust anyone with such secret?
My queen, I will keep your secret until I die.
Should I put you on the oath? Oma. Oath.
If that would make you believe me, then it's fine by me. I am your servant.
I think I have to get rid of her. I must get rid of her.
Good morning, my prince. Breakfast in bed. Up, 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 up. I got you breakfast.
I'm sure you will like it.
That's so sweet of you.
Thank you. I would do anything
anything at all to make you know and feel that you are the next king of Anukba Kingdom.
I'm already feeling like the next king.
Don't forget to let me know if you need anything. So. Alright? Maybe I should just remain here and what you eat you need.
I like you.
I love you.
Don't you think it's nice to go downstairs? Maybe my mom would want you to do something for her. Just saying.
Okay. But don't forget to let me know if you need anything at all.
Sure. Thanks for the breakfast.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Good morning, my queen. What were you doing in there?
I went to serve the prince breakfast.
By this time, what happened to the dining?
My queen, he said I should get the food to his bedroom.
And you are dressed like this to serve the breakfast in his room. Obi, why would you allow that girl in there? Your father's bedroom. Why would she serve you food in here?
Why are you upset, Mom? Since I came back, have you bothered to ask what I'm gonna eat?
I always instruct them to serve you whatever you desire to eat.
Well, Mom, allow me to enjoy my breakfast, please. The deed has been done.
Have you seen Ugochi?
I don't want to talk about her.
Any problem?
Ugochi followed another man.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Followed who?
I don't know, some guy right in front of me.
You know it's not possible. What about your child?
What? What child?
Oh. She didn't tell you she has a son for you.
Ugochi has a son for me.
Well, she has a son for you last year when your father was still alive. He asked her to bring the child for blessing, but she refused.
You gotta be kidding me right now, right? Are you sure about what you're saying?
Yes. But you have to calm down. Obi! Obi! Look at him this. I really got you on this. That's me. Oh, what do I do?
Whatever we fall prey to should die in evil forests. May what we eat be easy to locate us every day. Chuku Okike, this kola nut.
Prince, what is it? Where is that Jezebel you call a daughter? I need her to come out here and tell me the reason she hid my son from me, and even you as a father. I'm highly disappointed in you for being part of this bullcrap.
My prince, do not come to my house this early morning with foul mouth.
Where's Ugochi?
And who is looking for her?
If I slap you, you will lose continuity. Are you mad? Where is your daughter? Where is your daughter? If she doesn't come out here, I'm going to raise this roof down and nobody will ask me anything about it. Where is she for the last time?
My prince, I'm only quiet because your father, our king, is lying lonesome in the mortuary. And you are the prince of this land. If not, what I would have done to you, only God knows. Now, get out of my compound. I say get out of my compound.
I see you want to go that lane with me. Are you really ready for this? Are you ready?
Get out.
The next time I come here, I promise you, it will be blood.
Get out of my
want
sight.
to bet me?
Get out!
Do you want to bet me?
I said get out! Get out of my compound. Get out!
Obueze Anaye mete yanike Ocheze Anaya bata yanamba Ogunamba Okwanya ruru wanyaka gabwe Yesiga bweze no wanyaka gabu Wayo Wadi kwebu Kaiwere wayo Ibu wanakapaga
Papa, I like the way you just spoke to him. He thinks he can go to anybody's house and threaten anybody he sees there. Eh? Who is he?
Don't mind him. He's a mad dog. Don't mind him. He came here to interrupt my prayers. Oja, I got here and do. And I owe you. Then I can.
Wayo Wadi kwebu Kaiwere wayo Ibu wanakapaga Ibono Ashamadu
Hello. I have come to inform you of what I'm going to do to Ichi Onochie and his daughter. And certainly, I must do it.
So what's the problem?
Tell him to tell his daughter Ugochi to bring my son to me today or tomorrow.
Obina, why are you allowing yourself to be distracted at this point in time? Instead of behaving like a prince that you are. Your father is lying there at the mortuary, cold. And all you could think about is a woman and a child? Is that the kind of king you will be?
Is that all you have to say? Is that all you have to say?
I thought you came here for something very important.
Okay then, you will hear this course.
I don't want you. I see more getting at you. Oh, boys, and I am a Tayanike, and I am a Tayanike. No,
I was told you're going around telling people that I have your son. What son are you talking about?
My mother told me everything.
Your mother told you everything? Like how she got me pregnant? Oh, I see she's angry that I don't come around to lick her ass. And I'm not one of those who can intimidate with her wickedness.
You don't talk about my mother in that manner.
Oh, I will talk to your mother in any manner I deem fit. What would you do?
It's very simple. I will slap you and you will lose continuity.
Hey! Hey! Listen to me, you young drunken man. You see this woman right here? I will not hesitate to kill you or any other man who messes with her. Have I made myself clear? I will not warn you again. Hey, let's go back to the car.
Sure.
Are you mad?
I haven't forgotten in a hurry, Indian or Lebanese, anywhere you come from.
Whatever that means, get out of the way. Hey!
Avoid transfer of aggression. Last warning.
Where's my son? Get out. Are you mad? We're heading to the car. Are you mad? If you touch my door, I'll kill you. If you touch my car, I kill you.
Now this is what I want you to do. Find out all the details about that boy. Today! Now. Yes, sir.
I don't want you. I see more getting at you. Oh, boys,
But then, Ibo, you remembered me today. Council of Traditional Rulers meeting in Abuja on Thursday. That's good. Who is flying us? Okay, that's good. No, I'll be available. I'll be available.
And I am a Tayanike. Oh, Jesus. Anaya wataya namba Ogo namba Okwanyo ruru wanyaka gabwe Isiga bweze no wanyaka gabu Wayo Wadi kwebu Kaiwere wayo Ifu wanaka kwaga Nogono Ajamado Gine so Ajamaye Asimo gine cho Obueze Anaye mete yanike Anaye mete
Oh yes, Father will be joining us shortly. Meanwhile, what's the while?
Water will be fine.
Come on, darling. You can come to a palace like this and demand for just water. We have champagnes, all kinds. Dom Perignon, Louis XIII.
Water is okay. Water.
Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Very well then. Water it is. Go. Oh, Father is here. Father. You alright? Hey, don't. Ugochi! God! 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 Ugochi! Father! Ugochi! God! God!
So you are alive.
Let no one hear about it. Son?
Father.
Let me leave you people. Make yourself comfortable. Maybe attend to other issues, eh?
Okay, Father.
Okay, wait, let me call him. My prince, someone is here to see you.
And who's that?
I didn't ask the person.
Oh, come on. Be silly. We'll find out who that is.
I'm sorry, my prince.
And you're still standing here. Please go find out who that is.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Good, go. Are you alright?
Why didn't you tell me about it?
Well, I'm sorry I didn't. You see, things will have gone wrong. You see, this secret has saved lots of lives. I'm sure you understand.
My heart is beating fast.
Oh, okay. Let me take you inside, okay? Huh? Okay.
What's going on? Huh? Are you out of your mind? Are you actually keeping me outside?
I'm sorry, sir, but I'm asked to come.
Do you know who I am? My friend, go in there and call him.
And what's going on here?
I've come to have a word with you.
Alright. I'm listening.
You see, I want us to stop all this squabble and shit, you know. I want us to have a proper conversation as man to boy. You get it?
Well, you see, I do not have a problem with you. You should learn how to be nice to commoners. Huh?
Well, you didn't tell me how to live my life, but that's by the way. You see, I want to invite you over to my palace. I want us to have lunch together next Saturday so we can at least sit down and, you know, talk about one or two things, if you don't mind.
Your palace? Are you a king?
I'm a potential king. My father, the king, died a few months ago.
Oh, my path. I'm sorry about that.
It's alright.
As for the lunch, I'll come. And I might invite my father to come with me. Who knows? He might like you and throw some business ideas, a business contract your way. Hmm?
More like it.
Yeah.
I'll be expecting you then.
Babe.
Yes, darling.
I need to go. I'm choking right here.
Hey, darling. You just got here. You don't need to leave. Alright, let's go inside and I'll keep you company. Hmm? Come here. Let's go inside. Hey, shut the gate.
Babe.
Obueze Anaye mete yanike Ocheze Anaya bata yanamba Ogunamba Okwanya roro wanyaka gabwe Isiga poise no wanyaka gabu Wayo Wadi kwego Kaiwere wayo Ifu wanagapaga Yugono Anaye meta yanike nuwe Ocheze Anaya bata yanamba
Son,
Father,
do not let her leave this palace.
Well noted, Father.
Do you know why I said so?
Of course I do.
How much do you trust her?
Well, I trust her to an extent, Father.
So, can she keep secret?
I think she can.
I think she can. Oh, well, the manager, the production manager of the flour mill complained about raw materials. So what are you doing about it?
Well, I got the same complaint when I went there yesterday. So I'm trying to make available raw materials. I'm sure they'll be there by the latest day after tomorrow.
Did you try to call Mr. Court?
Of course I did, Father.
Oh, good. That's all right. I trust you.
So how are you today, Father?
Oh, fine.
Oma. Who gave you the royal attire? I am talking to you, Oma. Will you get her from that place, go inside and remove those?
And why would she remove them, Mother?
Excuse me?
You heard me clearly, Mother. Why would she remove them?
Did you give her those to wear?
Oh, yes, I did.
Why?
You know, she's gonna be my wife, so I need her to start dressing up as royalty.
I beg your pardon. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. This is ridiculous. Wait, you want this thing to be your wife?
Mom, can you please take a chill pill and try not to be up in the hill? Look at her. Royalty looks good on her. Look at her crown.
Oti!
Majesty.
Oti! Oti!
Ila danger, mado danger.
Ego, don't keep the belief we can say I'm an aja. You are crying. Do you have problem with anybody? Did anybody beat you?
Hey!
Talk to me now.
My life is ruined.
Your life is ruined? How? Do you have problem with the queen?
Oh, I tell my poor mother.
I don't understand. Talk to me first. What is the problem? I might be of help. Oh. You never can tell. Stop crying now. It's okay. Talk to me. Ego, talk to me now. What is the problem? Ego, stop crying like a baby and talk to me. I might be of help. We never can tell. Talk to me. Okay, you don't want to talk. I don't try now. You're sorry. Okay. You're sorry. Are you sorry?
Oh no, you can't believe what I saw in the palace right now.
What did you see?
I want you to come and talk sense into Prince Obinna. He is trying to rob our respect in the mud.
What actually happened?
I just walked in and saw my maid Oma on a royal regalia. And when I tried to caution her, Prince Obinna came out and told me that he has decided to make her his wife. No, can you imagine the madness?
Madness?
Yes.
What is madness with that?
What did you say?
I mean, the young man has found the wife he wants to marry. I don't see anything wrong with that. Besides, we want him to marry quickly so that we can crown him the king.
Is that all you have to say?
What else do you want me to say?
I want you to call the elders to stop him. He has to be stopped.
Why would I do that? I mean, he's old enough to decide on the kind of wife he wants to marry.
Excuse me?
Yes. I mean, he has made his choice. Why would I jeopardize his choice?
This is unbelievable.
Bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around.
Useless woman.
Look what you've done, don't you have no shame. Every day, every night, you're scheming, you're evil. Forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise. They're bringing
Papa,
out.
did the queen say that Prince Obi is looking for your wife?
Cherry, have you been eavesdropping on our discussion?
No, Papa, but I just overheard it now.
You overheard it?
Yes.
Now look, if you are thinking that you will get married to that useless prince, you are wasting your time because, of course, you know, I will not allow it. You know, go?
Papa, don't you trust your daughter again? It's me, I don't want to have anything to do with that wicked queen, Asa, and her son, no. I don't want it.
So, what is the excitement all about?
Papa, Michael said that he's coming with his family after the New Year festival. So I just want the prince to get married and get crowned as the king. So that Michael will come with his family. Because I don't want to hear that Michael is getting married to someone else. So.
Ulako.
Papa.
I know you're a very smart girl. Well, tell Mike to be preparing, okay? We will be waiting.
Papa, can I drink?
Tell you to drop that thing. Can I drink? You want to sleep again for 3 days? You with a fish brain. Eh?
Papa, how can I? It's just a drink now.
Just a drink. I get out, go and buy Fanta and drink. Okay. You want to drink stout?
No, you're not. Thank you, Papa.
Tonight, you're scheming, you're evil. Forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah.
What is it? That girl is about to blackmail me.
Who? Oma?
You can't imagine what is going on.
What is going on?
Prince Obinna wants to get married to her.
What? How? Prince Obinna getting married to Oma? How did that happen? Hold on. Baby, that is good news.
Excuse me?
Yes. If the marriage is going to make that guy shut up, then it's okay. Can't you see that?
Mike, is that all you have to say?
Come on, that girl is evil. Have you forgotten she helped us to actualize our plans?
If she marries my Obinna, my life will be at risk. Don't you get it?
You have a point. Yes, you do have a point. Sorry, I didn't think about that. Hey. So, what do we do?
What do we do? That is why I am here. I can't let her marry my son.
No, she cannot marry our son. No. That cannot happen. That cannot happen, baby. I have an idea.
What?
I do have an idea.
Say it.
Sit here.
Prince Obinna, we are not against your getting married to any woman of your choice. But we are worried. We are worried because you are not saying anything about the burial of our king.
Well, definitely my father will be buried. Alright, and not just buried, he will be given a befitting burial. But that will be after my marriage. Yeah, after my marriage ceremony then. I'll give my father a befitting burial.
Things are not done that way. You must bury our king.
What do you mean things are not done that way? Was he your father? He was my father. You don't tell me how to run my life. I just said something now. My father will be buried after my marriage ceremony.
Wrong.
Why?
Wrong. Look, he was the father to the great people of this kingdom.
Okay.
Before he became your father.
Yes, and so?
Therefore, we have every right to contribute to his burial arrangement. So, we therefore implore you to please do the needful.
And if you don't do it, we will not follow you to your in-laws' place.
Who cares? Do I look like I care? If you don't want to follow me, then you go to hell. I go out there and hire elders to go marry my woman.
My elders. My elders, I greet you. Obinna here cannot marry another woman except my maid, Ego, who he raped and got pregnant.
What? My friend, sit down! Obinna,
What did you say now?
You heard me.
you mean you a maid? Ha!
Are you serious now?
My friend, just quiet. Ego, are you saying that you are pregnant as a result of his raping you?
You stop asking her a stupid question.
Don't be aqua.
Hey! Did I say I raped you? You must be very stupid. Thunder will fire you. Don't tell me you people believe this nonsense you just said. Me, this thing, me.
Yes, you did, my dear son.
What?
You did. No thunder. Never. You did.
What?
She has told me everything.
And you believed her?
The CCTV captured everything. And you're going to marry her. You know the circumstances, right?
What are you saying, mother?
Obinna, you are not getting married to any other woman except this one that you and got pregnant. So if you love yourself, go to her people and perform her marriage rites after the burial of her king. Joseph, Una.
What are you saying? No, listen, I don't know what you people are talking about. Oh no. I do not know.
One more step, I will blow your brains off. You don't have a choice, do you? Oh, I love this game.
Every day, every night, you're scheming your evil, forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise.
Yes, sit. Drink with me. You want to kill me, just like you killed the king with your cup of tea. I am too powerful. You can't kill me. Oh, son, you're here.
I heard something. I'm sure I heard something.
Yes, she was talking.
I know. Same way you killed who? Say it again. I'm talking to you. What did you say?
We also heard everything. Tell us more about it. How many cups of tea did our king?
It was the queen's idea.
She asked me to do it after the king found out that Prince Achike and Obinna are not his biological sons.
What?
I don't know what she is talking about.
What? Mom, is that true?
She's not lying. The king told me everything. The name of the man is Mike. And she visits him at his hotel.
What?
Frequently.
Stop it! Stop accusing me wrongly. What is it?
Mom, you mean Mike is my biological father?
Son, no! See, this is a conspiracy. They are trying to take the kingship away from you. Aren't you getting it?
Negative. The king cannot lie to Princess Brenda and lie to me as well.
I told you it's a conspiracy. They want to take the kingship away from us. Are you going to let it happen?
Of course, no.
Sure.
Then you have to come and swear before Urashi that you know nothing about the death of our king.
Not just that. You have to equally swear that Princess Obinna and Achike are the biological sons of our king.
You see what I told you?
If you do not come to Olachi, Olachi will come to you. It is the time. It is the time.
Will you shut up? Will you just shut up? I am telling you, you have to believe I am your mother.
Well, Mom, if you ask me, I'll just say, you just swear to prove them wrong. Because I know deep down you didn't do it.
Of course I didn't do it.
Yeah, I know.
I can't swear.
Then after that, I will face you people. Okay? I know your plans. Mom, just swear. Swear, let's go inside.
I will just confess. Will you shut up? Will you shut your mouth?
Are you mad?
No. You don't keep the messenger of Olachi waiting. Take this and swear.
You see what I told you? I can't touch this. I'm a Christian. I can't touch this.
Mom, I know. I'm also a born-again Christian. But just to prove a point, okay? Come on. Hey, can I touch this? Hey, Mom, swear. Just swear. Let's go inside, please.
See, I can talk while you're holding it, right? So.
No, just hold it, right? Very good. So, yes. Just hold it. Swear, let's go. Very stupid people. You want to take my crown? Mom, swear. Swear, let's go. Take my crown that belongs to me.
My queen.
Know your plans. Go ahead, mother. Just prove them wrong.
I should swear?
What a million on them, swear. Let's
I
go.
know. All right. I swear. If I have a hand in my husband's death, may Orase punish me.
Very simple. So give it back to me.
Say it this way. If I have ever tried to or poison my husband to cover my infidelity, let Orashi punish me. If I have my son with another man, let Orashi punish me.
Okay, go ahead, mother. If I ever try to or poisoned my husband, let's just do it.
You do this?
Oh, come on, just do this to prove this guy is wrong.
Do I have to? If I ever try to or poison, right? My husband, let Orase punish me. If I begot my sons
with another man. Let's...
No, the same thing you
That's
said.
Rasi! Punish me!
So have you seen it?
Your plans have failed.
You see, you people in this community, in this kingdom, when you see me run, I know your plans. You think I don't know your plans?
The gods are merciful.
You! Mom, don't worry, we won this battle. You're killing my mother.
All right. We won.
Exactly, it's worth celebrating. Foolish people.
We won. We won.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, my word.
What?
My won, baby. Yeah, we won. Check it out. We won.
She does not deserve to leave.
Yeah. I thought you guys are merciful. We won. I told you that. Yeah, baby. We won. I told you.
What's going on?
We won.
Celebrate inside, not
Yeah, we're celebrating. This is our compound, our house. We won, baby. Will you shut up? We won. I told you.
We won, but you're overdoing the one.
I poisoned your father. I made myself a widow.
What?
You're not even his son. Hey. Oh, come on, sweetheart. You're so handsome. So handsome to be his son.
Who is it? Anaye mete yanike. Ojeze. Anaya bata yanamba. Ogunamba. Okwanya no wanyaka gabwe. Yesiga bweze no wanyaka gabwe.
Tell me about everything I need to know.
What exactly is going on? Anything like what?
You planned with my mother to kill the king.
Come on, son. See, I heard rumors that they wanted to hand over the kingship to the so-called legitimate son. So I had to do the needful. It's for your own sake. Do you understand?
The blood of an innocent man is in your hands.
No, it's for your own good. It's for you.
Hello, my good friend. How are you?
Well, let me guess. You forgot we were supposed to have lunch today. Of course, it's Saturday.
Well, I'm not in for a lunch date.
All that aside, you see, I have a surprise for you. My father.
Father, you are alive.
You came back and you never bothered to make proper investigation into what killed your father.
Oh, no, Father. I was carried away.
Carried away by lust and arrogance, I guess.
Father.
Hey, who do we have here? Nah. So, you're not dead. the tea poison then kill you? Uh-oh. You must be a big and strong man, you know. Hey! What's this? Banana.
Go in there, pick anything you feel is your own, and go to your real father.
Please. You are my real father. You are the man I've known all my life. Please, Father, please.
Go to your real father.
Father, you now have escort.
You are under arrest for the killing of Mike Obeji. I mean, move.
But my father just came back. I'm trying to...
Obina, I said move or I move you. Do you want me to move you?
Let me talk to my father. Father, you see?
Follow here. Follow here, please.
Father. Father, move now, you're wasting our time. Father.
Ocheze Anaya wataya namba Ogo namba Okwanyo ruru wanyaka gabwe. Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, thinking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame.
See what's up? Oh God! Oh God! See what's up?
You have no shame.
My queen, my queen! I kill you!
Oh no, Your Majesty, I want to thank you and the choosers here, especially for keeping this secret for a long time and for helping me actualize these findings.
Your Majesty, you don't need to thank us. You are a very good man. So there's no way we could have allowed evil to befall you or your household. We only played our roles.
So let us drink to this victory.
Ocheze Anaya wataya namba Ogo namba Okwanyo ruru wanyaka gabwe. Isiga boise no wanyaka gabu. Wayo Wadi webu.
Igwe, this one enter. Just from inside. My prince, this my own looks sleeve-fitted. I'm an elder, Okay, so no. Okay. Yeah. Your Majesty, this This one smells good. This wine is sweet. Where did you buy this?
This is for you.
Thank you, Mike.
Good.
So let us toast. Long life and good health.
Cheers.
Cheers, Pop.
Even though I started drinking my own.
Hello.
Hey.
Yes.
Yeah. My prince.
Yes.
Cheers, father.
Hello. This one smells good. This one smells good. Your Majesty, you must have imported this.
Yes.
Do you know where I felt it? In my heart.
The cook is also preparing something delicious.
Is that so? We're not going home now.
Oti, please tell the cook to hurry up.
No, I'm hungry. We are not going home again now.
You also must have more drinks.
I will take more.
Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise, they're bringing hell to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they are sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Oh yeah, she's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, see what you've caused. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they're sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. I don't understand the reason why people kill people. If we all are gonna die someday, so why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise, they're bringing hell to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they are sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, see what you've caused. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they're sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. I don't understand the reason why people kill people. If we all are gonna die someday. So why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done. Look what I am no way. Anaya bataya number no way. The throne is never for free, but the crown is neither for sale. The mystery goes beyond what your eyes can see. The price is higher than what your mind can save. And I am wayo, oh,